through growth, change and complexity. She's passionate about developing people, expanding markets, and building strong, trusted relationships with clients and regulators alike. She's known for her hands-on leadership style. She consistently delivers results while maintaining strong risk and control standards. She thrives on innovation, enjoys solving tough business problems, and she's driven by the opportunity to improve client experience, business efficiency. She currently runs Royal Seal Multipurpose Cooperative Society, and she's happily married with children. Our speaker this morning, Mrs. Esther Omojo-Agida, will be taking us through the topic financial record keeping and tax reform law for small and medium scale enterprises. Let us welcome her with emojis as she takes the floor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, dear Ghanaian. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Okay, good afternoon, everyone again. Our topic for today is on the Nigerian tax law, the new tax law. You know, it's a hot topic, hot subject matter for everybody. And if we are current, we know that 31st of March is the deadline for people to file, businesses, individuals to file their taxes. I don't know how many of us have done that, but it is advisable that we go file our taxes. So I'll be talking on the new law, the Nigerian Tax Law 2026, enacted in 2025 and commenced this year, 2026. Can we go to the next slide, please? The tax is not just about deduction from income. It is about structure, about documentation, and protecting the wealth you are building. And where we don't comply with the authorities, they come hard on us. And they come with penalties that are so heavy that you may be out of business. So when you file your tax and you do your documentation properly, you are protecting the wealth you are building actually. The old tax law in Nigeria, the Tax Act in Nigeria, was repealed with the commencement of the Nigerian Tax Act 25, Act number 7, which commenced on 1st of January 2026, as enacted by the National Assembly and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That act applied throughout Nigeria and to all persons, and everyone is required to comply with the provisions of that law. Whether it's in persons, whether you're an individual, you're a business, or you're a large corporate, you're required to comply with it. And there are a lot of changes to the new tax law because it is all encompassing. The scope of the tax now has been broadened such a way that you can hardly escape anything. And when you try to escape, penalty will come on you. Next slide, please. Which one? I think I just have to open my own. The objective of this session is that we will explore the new tax law regime as it affects payee, private individuals, small businesses, traders, large corporates, and other income. So we're going to, dissect it to see how it affects us and what we need to do, especially as business people, to ensure that we are not brought under the hammer of the law, because one penalty can actually take us out of business. I will also be talking about the objective of the act. The objective of the Tax Act 2025 actually is to unify the tax framework, simplify multi-tax law, and enhance compliance. Next slide, please. Who is affected by these laws? The new act that is enacted. We are all in it. Everyone. Whether you're doing your business online, whether you have a physical business, whether you have franked business, whether you're a worker or you're a small businessman, or you're not even, you're just doing anything that earns you money, all of us are affected by this tax act. Please, let's go to slide 5, please. The types of taxes that is covered. We have the income tax. That's what we'll walk around in this section. We have the value-added tax. We'll not be talking much about it, but for people that will be selling, if you are selling a product, you must file your charge your customers value-added tax, and you have to file and pay it too. Value-added tax is filed monthly. You have the capital gain tax, and you also have stamp duties. I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with stamp duties now. You go to bank, anything they do, they charge you stamp duty. If you pay money, you are charged, And even when you want to register a company, the stamp duty is heavy according to your share capital. Please, the slides are not moving. So I'll talk about the income tax. In the income tax, you have the salaries. It's tax that's for individual. Now it's tax on salaries, our wages, our bonuses, investment income, business incomes, even your side hustle that you do. You're supposed to have proper documentation, and you file for tax for it. Somebody say you cannot see anything, please, moderator. Please, if you're on the same page, please, can I have an emoji, please? You can hear me and you're following. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thank
we
you.
can see, we can hear you, and we can see Mr. Ridwan's screen.
Oh,
Even though
okay. Oh,
it kind of looks small.
small.
Yes.
Mr. Ridwan, can you put it on slide this thing, slideshow? Is this okay?
Yeah, I think it's better.
If you put it on slideshow, it will be better. In somewhere under, under. Okay, let's move ahead.
I hope Mr. Ridwan joined the call as a moderator because it's showing like it is a guest.
Okay.
Exactly. It's showing like a normal participant. So
Yes.
the screen is not coming out large, like
Yeah.
something somebody can see very well.
If you can put it on slideshow, it will come out large.
Mr. Ridwan, can you hear us? I think the problem is sharing the screen from somewhere
I can
else.
I can hear
Yes.
you. I can hear you. Can you see the screen now? The
We,
problem
we
is
can
that
see.
If I was on slideshow actually, I don't know why it's not coming out clearly.
Okay, maybe what you do is just increase all the font.
Okay. Mercy, please. I'm coming. I want to. Let me try. Let me hand the screen first and see.
I'm sorry.
How is it now? Is it better?